Here we have got fraction, and the other side we have got algebraic fraction. What is the difference? When we say fraction, only numbers are there. When we say algebraic fractions, we are working numbers with letters. Okay. So, when we are adding fractions and when we are adding algebraic fraction, do we work the same way or do we work in different way? I'm going to show you. Let's work with the fraction, which is 1/2 plus 1/3. Always keep in mind, when you have fraction with fraction, the operation sign is plus, okay? And on the left of the operation sign, we have fraction. On the right of the operation sign, we have fraction. In order to add these two fractions, when you make sure fraction with fraction is to make your denominator is the same. Okay, we're gonna therefore make the denominator is the same by finding the LCM of the two denominators. So we need to find the LCM of 2 and 3, the smallest number that can be divided into both these numbers. Okay, without any reminder, this is gonna be 6. How did you find the 6? 3 we multiply by 2, and the 2 we multiply by 3. Okay, remember, when we are working with fractions, there is a rule called the golden rule, and it says whatever you do to the denominators, you must do to the numerator too. Therefore, as we multiplied the denominator of the first fraction by 3, we also need to multiply by 3 on top the numerator. The same is true. We must also multiply the numerator of the second fraction by 2. This simplifies 3/6 plus 2/6. Okay, now add the numerators and take just one denominator. 3 plus 2 is 5/6, which is proper fraction. And you leave your answer in fraction form, which is proper fraction. Done. That's how we work when we are dealing with fractions involves only numbers. This side, let's check algebraic fraction. Nothing is different. Nothing is different. Just you are following the same rule that I did follow here. Okay, so how are we going to do it? Make the denominator is the same. We see in the first fraction we have k over x, and the second fraction x over k. We're gonna therefore say we're gonna multiply x by k, and we're gonna multiply x by k also. Remember, whatever you do in the denominator, you must also do on the numerator. Okay. This simplifies. K times K is K square. K times X is Kx. Plus X times X is X square. K times X is Kx. Now we have same denominators. So what are we going to do? Add the numerators. K square plus X square over Kx. This is our final answer. We can't add them because they are not like terms and they are not numbers. And we cannot simplify further because on top we have the sum of square, which cannot be simplified. Therefore, our final answer equal to K square plus X square over Kx. I hope you see the method I follow when I'm working algebraic fraction and the method I follow when working with only fractions are just the same. Don't let letters to make you scared. Thank you.